In the last lecture, we saw equations of circle, correct? When the circle, when you given the center, what is the equation of the circle? When we given the diameter points, where the diameter where it intersects the circle, those points also we found the equation of the circle. So, and if you remember, the equation of circle was coming in the quadratic form, x square plus y square and all. So, let us write out what will be the general equation of a circle. Like what we did in the straight line, general equation of a straight line, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So, similarly, what will be the general equation of a circle? Okay, so we know. So, what we did is, okay, let us start with the center of the circle. So, if I give you a circle with center h comma k and radius r, can you get the equation of the circle? You know, right? What is that? Will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Let us expand it. What this will be? X square plus h square minus 2hx plus y square plus k square minus 2ky equal to r square. Correct? So let me combine x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square, that's it, right? Equal to r square. If I take r this side, then it becomes minus r square equal to 0, correct? So, if you compare with this, then we can write a general form. In general form, so you can see this is coefficient of x square. So, this is x square, coefficient is 1. Y square, coefficient of y square is also 1. X, coefficient is minus 2h. Y, coefficient is minus 2k. And this is a constant term. Am I right? So, then we can write in general form. The equation of a circle in general form should be x square plus y square minus 2gx minus 2fy. Right. 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If you compare these two, so this is what you call as the equation of a circle in general form. Now, if you compare the term by term, so g will be equal to what? Minus h. Okay, and sorry, plus. Let us write it plus. It's just plus. G equal to minus h, and f is equal to minus k, and c is equal to h square plus k square minus r square, correct? Or if I write r square should be equal to h square plus k square minus c, correct? Can this r square be less than 0? What is r? It can't be greater than 0, right? Radius has to be always, because when you take a circle, so the radius 0 is a point, right? It has to be greater than 0. It can't be less than 0. Therefore, this should be greater than 0. So, this is one condition. So, then we can write, okay. So, then let us write. So, what will be h square? So, we know what is h. H is equal to g, correct? So, this will be, so this says h square means g square, correct? Because square. So, g square plus f square minus c should be greater than 0. So this x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 if g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0. This is a necessary condition for that. Okay. Otherwise, you won't have a radius won't be positive, greater than 0. Okay. So that's what this is, the general equation of a circle. Okay. So these are two conditions. So now if I give a general equation of the circle, so I given like that. Can you tell me what is the center of the circle? I'm giving this equation. Okay. I give in general any equation. Now if I say can this second order equation can be equation of a circle or not? How will you prove it? You have to prove.
Minus g comma minus f.
Say I'm telling you, I'm giving a general equation. Say something like x square plus y square plus 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. I'm asking you, can this be a circle? For a circle, what is the condition? This is the same form, na? Can it be a circle? How do you prove it?
You can substitute in the
Correct. Right? This one you have to prove it. You have to substitute this and see whether this is coming out to be 0, greater than 0. Substitute. So what is 2gx is? 2g is 3, correct? Therefore, g is equal to 3 by 2. And 2f equal to, 2f equal to how much? Minus 4, because 2fy is minus 4y. So f equal to minus 2. And what is c? c equal to 8. Put the condition. G square. G square is what? 3 by 2 whole square plus f square. F square is 4 minus 8. This will be 9 by 4 plus 4 minus 8. Correct? So this will be what? So it will be minus 4. Correct? So this is minus 4. Okay? So now what will be this? Tell me. 4, 9 minus 16 equal to how much?
7 by 4.
What about the sign?
Minus 7 by 4.
Minus 7 by 4. Can this be a circle?
No.
So this equation, even though this equation looks like a circle, okay, but this equation cannot be a circle because it does not satisfy. Okay, so that's one thing very important. In the straight line, what happened? We write ax plus by. Any ax plus by plus c is a straight line. But in a circle, it cannot be. So they have to form this condition. Okay, so then from here you can say, so when you given a equation like this, so what is this quantity? G square plus f square minus c is what? We said it's greater than 0. Why we said it's greater than 0?
It's the radius.
Radius. Okay, so then if we say, so given a circle, okay, so what we can do is, if I give any equation of this type, what you do is find out the radius. The radius is r. What is the radius? R equal to g square plus f square minus c. And you can say if the radius comes out to be less than 0, then this cannot be a circle. Okay. So if it is a circle, then what is the positive? That is the radius. Now can you tell me what is the center?
That should be r square.
Oh, sorry, r square. Yeah. So r means it will be a square root of it. Okay. This will be a square root and mod of it. Because radius has to be positive always. Okay. Fine. So, and now what will be the center? Tell me.
Minus g comma minus.
Correct. Minus g comma minus f. Because it's the same thing. H and k is the center. So, minus g comma. So, if they give any general form of this equation, so what you have to first identify is whether this forms a circle or not. How will you form for a circle? Just find out r square. So it says whether you have r square is positive, then it can be a circle. When this can be a circle, then you can write just minus g and minus f is the center of the circle. Okay. So let us do one problem. Okay. Let us do this problem. Find the center and the radius of a circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y equal to 0. Find the point of intersection of this circle with the line 3x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Second question then. Then the third one is what will be the equation of the circles with the point of intersection as center and the radius is same. Okay, and same radius. Okay, so we saw what is the equation of a general equation of a circle: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And what is the radius? R square equal to g square plus f square minus c. Okay, correct. And the center will be
minus g,
minus f. Okay, so what they given? They given a circle. So they have given a circle, and the equation of circle is given. Okay, and we want to find out, first thing we want to find out the center and the radius, correct? So all you have to write it in the general form. So solution. Tell me, so what this is? So okay, so x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y equal to 0. Correct? So now, so what we have, 2g is equal to how much?
minus 6,
Minus 6. And 2f equal to?
8,
So therefore g is equal to?
minus 3,
And f is equal to?
4,
4. Correct? Therefore, center of the circle is?
3, 4, minus 4.
3, minus 4, because minus g and minus f is the center of the circle. Radius. R equal to, what is the formula? G square plus f square minus c. Correct? Root of. Positive, you take the mod of it. So that will be how much? Tell me.
Root of 9 plus 16.
Tell me what is 9 plus 16. So this is equal to 25, equal to 5. So the radius of the circle is equal to 5. So second thing also, first thing is over. Find the point of intersection of this circle with the line, this one. Second part. How will you do that?
You have to solve the both?
Yes, you have to solve these two. So you will get a quadratic equation. You will get two values, and that will give the. So what we are asking is, what they given is, they given a circle and they have given a line. So they have given a line, and you want to find out the point of intersection of the circle with the line. You solve both the equations, equation of the circle and the equation of the line. Okay, because the points are going to be, both the points will lie on the line as well as in the circle. Okay, let us take it one point. You will see it will automatically come as a quadratic equation, and then we will find out. So let us take the line. Okay, so second part of this is the first part of the problem. Second part, we have, so from here we can write, we have 3x minus 4y, phi equal to 0. So let us write what is the, let us write y here. So what it will be? Therefore, y will be equal to, tell me, 5 minus 3x by 4 minus 4. Okay, or 3x minus 5 divided by 4. Okay, let us substitute this y in circle. Okay, so what we are going to have get? So x square, substituting in circle. Equation. Okay, so what it will be? X square plus y square, correct?
3x minus 5
3x minus 5 by 4 whole square minus 6x plus 8 into,
we give it 2 into 3x minus 5.
pardon? What is it?
2 into 3x minus 5. Because 8 and 4 will get cancelled. 4 will get cancelled.
Oh, here na? Let us keep it. Let us do it. 3x minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. Okay. So let us solve this. So let us take a 4 commonly LCM. So the 4 will be, when I multiply it, this 4 becomes 0. So when I take 4 commonly, 4 as LCM, then it becomes 4x square, correct? So what will we have? So we have 4x square plus 3x minus 5 whole square, correct? Then minus 4 6 are 24x, correct? Plus
24x
plus 24x, is that right?
40.
Plus 24x minus
40.
40 equal to 0. So this cancels off. So simple. So now, so what this will be? 4x square plus 9x square plus 25 minus 30x, correct? Minus 40 equal to 0. Correct? Is that right? So what will I having? This will be how much? 13x square minus 30x minus 15 equal to 0. Okay, we are going to get this quadratic equation we have to solve. So then what will be x? X will be minus b. 30 plus minus b square. B square will be what? 900. B square minus 4ac, correct? So this minus minus become plus. 4 into a, how much?
60. No, that is AC.
4 into 15, na?
That
So
is
it's 2 into 30.
that is 60
Correct. 60
into 13.
60 into 13, correct? So how much? Tell me.
780.
780? Okay, so what this will be divided by 2 times a, that is
26.
26. Okay, so tell me what this will be. 900 plus 780, how much?
1680.
So what is the square root of 1680, right? So what it will be? Tell me. 1680, right? You remember how we do it? No, 2.
Oh,
Okay, you can do it 2. If you make it 2, this becomes 8, 40, again 2,
420,
again 2,
210,
210, and again 2.
3. Okay, that's 2.
How much?
105.
105.
3.
Now you go with 3. It becomes
35.
35.
5.
Yeah, now it is 5,
7.
7. Correct? Okay, so we can't do much. I think we missed something. This is 840.
No, what? How?
Correct.
Bigger.
41, mada. Yeah, fine. Okay? So tell me, this is 2, 2. So what is 3? 105. Correct? So this is 4 into root of 105. Correct? So this will be what? 30 plus minus 4 into root of 105 divided by 2. So what will be 26? So this becomes
30. 50.
15 plus minus 2 root of 105 divided by 13. Okay. So now you got 2 x values. Now what you do? You have to substitute these x values in the y. You can do it. Correct? Multiply by 3 and then do this method. Do this fraction. So then you will get 1 corresponding to this x, you will get 1 y. And similarly, corresponding to another x, we will have another y. Okay, you want me to do? Or no, you do it. Okay, so then you will get 2 x1 y values. So that means we are getting these 2 points. Okay, and what they are asking, keep this as a center and with the same radius draw another circle. Okay, so you know the formula, circle center formula. Use it and write down the equation. Okay. Now we will try to write the equation of the circle in a parametric form. You remember parametric form? We studied in the first chapter. We have x and y coordinate. Instead of x and y coordinate, we used a r theta coordinate. You got it?
Okay.
Any point can be represented by r theta. You remember that's a parametric form. What we had is we have a coordinate system, if you remember, and then we have a point. This point is what? X comma y. In a parametric form, what do we write is, we don't write it x comma y. We represent as r theta. You remember? R is the angle and theta is the one. Okay, this is a parametric form. So now the question is, so we are having a circle. What do we have? We have a circle like this. Our circle is something like this. Okay, and the question is, okay, we know the general form of writing the circle in xy term. I'm asking if can you write it in terms of r theta. How we are going to write? So we know, correct? It's simple. So what is that? What we do? We just, okay, so this is x. This length has to be x and this has to be y. What will we do? So what is this value? So what is, and this also will be y and this also x, correct? What is sine theta? Tell me.
X by y, x by r.
Sine theta is equal to,
X by r.
oops, sorry, I made a mistake. How it is x by r? Which is x and which is y?
Oh, yeah.
This is x, na? You should correct me. And this is y, right? What is sine theta?
Y by r.
Y by r. And what is cos theta?
X by r.
X by r. Therefore, x is equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sine theta. So this is the equation of a circle in a parametric form. Because it's very simple. Okay, the reason is, so what happened? There's an advantage of writing the circle in a parametric form. The reason is what? When I say a circle, the radius is fixed. If I keep moving the points along the circle, if I'm using in x and y, both x and y also will keep changing. Am I right? Huh? On the other hand, when I write it in parametric form, if you see, that is, I'm going to define r and theta. When I keep changing the point, what are the quantities going to change?
Only that.
Only the angle change, because r is going to be constant. So that's why many times writing the circle in a parametric form is very easier, simpler. Okay. Well, this is what I have written. Okay, if you one thing is I given this is origin, but not necessarily my circle will be always at origin. Correct? So then what happens? How will you write this equation? Tell me. Okay, let me draw it out. So we are having a coordinate system and I'm having a circle here of radius r. Okay, and so now this center, earlier center was 0, 0. Now the center is what? Say some h comma k. That's why we write, right? So now, so what is this equation of this circle in a parametric form? Tell me. So this is h comma k. How will you do it? Draw a line parallel to x-axis and take up this length. So this is r, correct? Let this angle be theta. Okay, so then this point, let this point be x comma y. So, okay, what is this length? Tell me. Tell me, what will be this length? This one. This is how much?
X1 minus, no, h plus h.
Only h.
H.
So what is this length?
H plus x.
H plus x. Correct? Tell me, what is this one?
K.
K. And what is this one?
K plus y.
Plus y. Okay. And now you tell me, so what will be this length? What will be this length?
X.
This is?
X.
You made a mistake. This point is x, na? This whole thing is.
Only that one point was x.
What is this? This whole thing is, when I say this point is x, this length is x, na?
Okay.
What is this? This is y. Correct? Now what is this length?
X minus h.
And what is this length?
Y minus k.
Y minus k. Correct?
Ah.
So now you know this distance. This distance is x minus h and this distance is y minus k. Now can you do the sign of these angles and all? What will be sign of the angle?
Sine of angle will be y.
Sin theta, tell me what is sin theta?
Y minus k divided by x minus h.
Sin theta is y minus k to x minus h.
Sorry, by r.
R. Okay. So therefore, R and then cos theta?
X minus h divided by r.
X minus h divided by R. So now you tell me what is x?
R cos theta plus no.
H plus R cos theta. Correct? And y equal to?
R sin theta plus k.
Correct? So this is the general equation of a circle with center h comma k in a parametric form. Okay? So clear? You got it, na? So this is the way you can define a circle in the parametric form.